Business process outsourcing, or BPO, is when a company hires an outside firm to handle tasks that aren't part of its core mission. At its simplest, it is about delegating specific business functions to external providers who specialize in those tasks. The global market for these services is massive, valued at over $260 billion annually. Companies often outsource repetitive or specialized tasks like payroll, customer support, human resources, and data entry. The main trade-off is between the direct control of an in-house team and the cost savings or scale offered by external experts. Studies often show significant cost reductions in specific departments, allowing businesses to reallocate capital toward their core products. The golden rule of outsourcing is to move tasks that are essential but not your competitive advantage to those who specialize in them. Understanding how your favorite companies operate can give you a better view of their efficiency. Subscribe for more business basics.